AP Series 120 amps solar charge controller and charge controller solar Mppt 100 amps have advanced Mppt algorithm. Mppt solar charger controller has 99% transfer efficiency, intelligent LCD and LED display. It can be connected in parallel. Inbuilt with overcharge, over-discharge, anti-reverse, high-temperature protections to protect your battery. Support SLA, AGM, GEL, lithium battery with voltage adjustment based on your demand. Support Wi-Fi connector connection, suitable for Android mobile app to view data at any time.